Hello, scholars. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So, scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 12, and the name of the chapter is Plants and Animals Around Us. Scholars, we see a variety of living things around us, such as plants and animals. And we are dependent on them for a number of things. So, let us learn more about them. And first, we are going to start with plants. Scholars, like living beings have various body parts, in the same way, plants also have different parts. So, let's learn about them. Some of the parts of the plants are root, stem, leaf, fruit, and flower. These are some of the parts of a plant. You must have seen plants in different sizes and forms. Some are tall and huge, while some others are small, delicate, and lie on the ground. Now we will talk about the different types of plants. So the first that we are going to start with is trees. Big plants are called trees, like neem tree, peepal tree, coconut tree, mango tree, etc. Trees have a huge wooden stem called trunk. Next is shrubs. Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs, like rose, jasmine, etc. Shrubs have smaller stems branching off near the ground. Next that we are going to talk about is herbs. Scholars, very small plants are called herbs, like mint, chili, tulsi, etc. Their stems are soft. Leaves and stem of some herbs are even used as medicines and for flavoring food also. Next that we are going to talk about is climbers. Some plants have weak stems and cannot grow straight on their own. They need support. These are called climbers, like grapevine, pea plant, and money plant. And the last is creepers. Some plants with weak stems grow along the ground. These are called creepers, like pumpkin and watermelon. Scholars, plants are of great importance in our life because plants give us oxygen to breathe, and we cannot live without plants. Plants also provide us with fruits, vegetables, spices, wood, medicines, rubber, gums, oil, perfumes, etc. Therefore, we must protect plants and trees. And we should not cut trees. We should plant as many trees as we can. Scholars, do you know that animals and plants are dependent upon each other? So now we will learn more about animals. Scholars, we see many animals around us, like dog, cat, cow, buffalo, goat, etc. But have you ever wondered where all these animals live? Scholars, animals are of two types: domestic animals and wild animals. The domestic animals are kept in shelters made by humans. So let's learn about the different shelters of these animals. Cows live in a shed. Hens live in a coop. Cats live in kennels or baskets. Dogs live in kennels. Horses live in stables. And wild animals like tiger, lion, wolf, etc. live in the forest. A forest is a land that is thickly covered with trees. Wild animals live in naturally made shelters in forest. Like monkeys live on a tree. Bear lives in a cave. Lion lives in a den. And animals like elephant, giraffe, deer, and zebras spend most of their time roaming in grasslands. Some of the animals even build homes for themselves. Like sparrow build nest. Mouse and snake make holes in the ground. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Spider makes a web. Bees make beehive. And woodpecker lives in a tree hole. Animals also give us a number of things such as milk, eggs, meat, wool, and honey. So, let us learn more about them. We get milk from cow, buffalo, and goat. We get eggs and meat from hen. We get honey from honeybees. Sheep gives us wool. And silkworm gives us silk, which we weave into shiny fabric. So, scholars, we can say that plants and animals are our best friend. So, scholars, here we come to the end of chapter number 12. And now it's time to do a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. So, first point to remember is we see different kinds of plants and animals around us. Second point is a plant has different parts like roots, stem, leaves, flower, bud, etc. Third point is different types of plants are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Fourth point is plants provide us with oxygen and many other useful things. Fifth point is animals are of two types: domestic animals and wild animals. Sixth point is domestic animals live in shelters made by humans. Seventh point is wild animals live in the forest. Eighth point is most animals in naturally made shelters in a forest, while some build home for themselves. 9th point is animals gives us milk, eggs, meat, wool, honey, and silk. And the last point to remember is we must protect plants and animals. Scholars, the worksheet and assignment related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.